Astronomers are reporting that they have observed a space jellyfish. A radio telescope located in Western Australia has observed a cosmic phenomenon with a striking resemblance to a jellyfish. In a recently published research paper, an Australian-Italian research team used the Murchison Wide-Field Array telescope to observe a cluster of galaxies known as Able 2877. It was also mentioned that the team observed the cluster for 12 hours at 5 radio frequencies between 87.5 and 215.5 MHz. According to the research team, when they looked at the data and as they turned down the frequencies, they noticed a ghostly jellyfish-like structure begin to emerge. The radio jellyfish holds a world record. Whilst it is bright at regular FM radio frequencies, at 200 MHz, the emission all but disappears. According to the research team, no other extragalactic emission like this has been observed to disappear anywhere near so rapidly. This uniquely steep spectrum has been challenging to explain. The research team has had to undertake some cosmic archaeology to understand the ancient background story of the jellyfish. Team's working theory is that around 2 billion years ago, a handful of supermassive black holes from multiple galaxies spewed out powerful jets of plasma. This plasma faded, went quiet, and laid dormant. Then, quite recently, two things occurred. The plasma started mixing at the same time as very gentle shock waves passed through the system. This has briefly reignited the plasma, lighting up the jellyfish and its tentacles for us to see. The jellyfish is over a third of the moon's diameter when observed from Earth, but can only be seen with low-frequency radio telescopes. Most radio telescopes cannot achieve observations this low due to their design or location. The MWA, which is a precursor to the Square Kilometre Array or SKA, is located at CSIRO Murchison's Radio Astronomy Observatory in remote Western Australia. Western Australia was chosen as the site to host the low-frequency antennas for the Square Kilometre Array telescope, with construction scheduled to start in less than a year. The research team has also said that the SKA will give them an unparalleled view of the low-frequency universe. The SKA will be thousands of times more sensitive, and much better resolution will be presented with this instrument than with the MWA. So there may be many other mysterious radio jellyfish waiting to be discovered once SKA is operational. They are also about to build an instrument to make a high-resolution, fast frame rate movie of the evolving radio universe. This instrument will show them from the first stars and galaxies through to the present day. Discoveries like the jellyfish only hint at what's to come. It is an exciting time for anyone seeking answers to fundamental questions about the cosmos. A space jellyfish is a rocket launch related phenomenon as well. It is caused by sunlight reflecting off the high-altitude rocket plume gases emitted by a launching rocket during the morning or evening twilight. The observer is usually in darkness, while the exhaust plumes at high altitudes are still in direct sunlight. This luminous apparition is reminiscent of a jellyfish. Sightings of the phenomenon have led to panic, fear, and also concern about possible dangerous activities. And many persons have reported this as a UFO. It is quite exciting and intriguing. Of course, we hope that one day we'll be able to utilize these extraordinary instruments to see more items that are fascinating in space. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care of yourself, and goodbye.